Alright, NECR 601 has already passed. So I'm going to do a railroad crossing tour in Claremont Junction. So over here, we got a WC Hayes model, I believe it's a 3590. Over here is a Harman base. We got a safetran 12 by 20 inch lights with Harman brackets. Here's the emergency info sign. I'm gonna try my best to get a good angle of this bell. We got a WC Hayes model 0333 mechanical bell. Now I'm gonna go cross the road. Alright, now I crossed the road. We got a Premier base. Over here, also safetran 12 by 24 inches. Safetran 12 by 20 is on top. Now I'm gonna cross over the tracks. Now over to one of my main spots in the summer. We got a Harman signal base. WC Hayes model 3597. Got Harman brackets. Or gate brackets, I'm not sure what they are. Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights with Harman brackets. Up on top we got a NEG electronic bell. Yeah, all the way over here on this signal. These are both Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights. Alright, that'll be it for the tour.